On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to obey the Scout law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. I am Livingstone M. Johnson, a distinguished Eagle Scout. I entered scouting in 1939 when I was in the 7th grade at Horner Junior High School in Wilkinsburg. And several of my classmates asked me if I would be interested in joining their troop, which was Troop 5, Wilkinsburg, at that time located at St. Stephen's Episcopal Church in Wilkinsburg.
My name is Carl Cooper, and I'm on the Scout Reach Board of the Boy Scouts of America. It's especially important to recognize Judge Livingston because he is one of the first Boy Scouts to have reached the Eagle Scout level. And he did it at a time when there were segregations, and one of the requirements is that you have to pass a swimming test. So he had to be snuck into the swimming pools after hours at night in order to reach the Eagle Scout level.
Back in 1939, as you would understand, the bigotry and racism in this country was such that African Americans such as myself were not permitted to swim in the swimming pools, be they public or private.
It's also significant that he is one of the few silver Beaver Scouts. In fact, there are only a few in the country, and he managed to reach that level. So there are very few Americans that have reached that, and even fewer African Americans who've reached that level.
Tracy McCants Lewis, Duquesne University School of Law. I'm an assistant professor in clinical legal education. He was one of the great civil rights leaders here in the city of Pittsburgh. I've had the opportunity to sit down with Judge Johnson and talk to him about his involvement in getting equal justice, equal access for African Americans in the city of Pittsburgh. And I think it's really a little known fact that a lot of people just don't know about. We need to take the opportunity to know and learn about all of our great civil rights leaders here in the city of Pittsburgh, Judge Johnson, who is one of them.
It's important to have mentors like Judge Johnson because they're always there for you. Whether or not they're a father figure, they're like a mentor through like school, they're a tutor or a scoutmaster. They're there to guide you through thick and thin.
I would want people to remember my legacy as a person who entered scouting early in life, that it has had a great effect in guiding my path and living up to the tenets of scouting, the right direction to live my life. And I'd like to be known as one who has tried to reach out and help others to enjoy life as I have.
We will forever look up to you and remember the legacy that you have set for us.
We thank you.
I'd like to thank Judge Johnson for being a mentor to the next generation.
Until we meet again.